Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm a visitor experience staff member at the USS Constitution Museum in Boston, Massachusetts. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own paper poppy flower. The poppy is a symbol that is used to recognize and honor those that died in military service to their country. In the United States, you will often see people either wearing a poppy or displaying it around Memorial Day. So let's get started making our poppy. Using the poppy template that you can find at usscm.org, we are first going to trace our circle onto a folded piece of black paper. Once we cut that out, we should have two black circles. These will be used for the base and the center of our poppy. The next step is to cut out our petals. We want to trace and cut out 6 petals on red paper. I folded my paper in half to make the process go a bit quicker. Now, using a pair of scissors, we are going to cut a slit into the bottom of our petal. Adding a bit of glue on one side and then slightly overlap the other side and hold it down in place. This will give our petals some shape to them. Once you do that for all 6 petals, another way we can give our petals some shape is by taking our glue stick and rolling the petals. In the end, they will look something like that. To arrange the petals, we are going to add some glue to the bottom of each petal and attach it to one of our black circles. Each petal should slightly overlap the previous petal. Once you glue all 6 of your petals onto the base, it should look something like this. With the second black circle that we cut out, we are going to cut slits all around the outer edge of our circle. Once we are done, we can add a bit of glue and then add it to the center of our flower. This next step is optional, but one way to make your petals look more realistic is by individually cutting the tops of each petal with either a gentle wave or zigzag pattern. Now add some tape and display your poppy flower. Thank you for making this poppy with me. For this template and more fun activities, visit usscm.org.